Right now my energy is like, what the heck is going on? I'm anxious about it. So I'm like wondering, what should I do? Should I contact customer service? Should I fight with them about it? Like, hey, you sent me a possible scam. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing. We're gonna do a chill unboxing today. The unboxing we're doing is 4 Lattafa fragrances that I got. These are popular ones and not so popular ones. I think this is gonna be a chill thing. We're just gonna unwrap them, show you what the unboxing is like, show you what the fragrance is like, and we're gonna do a quick sniff. This is not gonna be an in-depth review. It's just a general, what are the vibes that I'm getting off the top of my head based on the initial sniff. And later on in the future, I'll do an in-depth review. But for now, it's just first vibes. So we're gonna start with Ishq Al Shuyukh Silver. So this is pretty iconic. I've seen this everywhere. And I know a lot of people swear by this one. And this one is also, I think this is the one that is supposed to be similar. I think this is the one that's supposed to be similar to a fragrance that I really love that sucks in terms of longevity and projection, which is the right here. Oh my god, I can't point. Right there. But it's supposed to be like that fragrance, which is, oh my god, I forgot, Bugatti Black. If it isn't, then I'll be sad. If it is, then great, because I love that fragrance. So this opens differently than other Lattafa boxes. I tried to open it like a book, but this opens apparently like that and reveals the fragrance inside. It has like the little booklets Lattafa always has, and it has the fragrance inside. Let me pop it out. See, I always show that I have no hand strength when I can't pop these out. Okay, there we go. Let's look at the bottle. This is the bottle. The little sculpture is extended from the bottle. There's the lid with the Lattafa logo. It's black in the back. You can already see like the Lattafa DNA, the little square bottle that's wrapped, metal sculpture in the front, or plastic, whatever it is. So it's nothing special. Lattafa bottles can either be extremely elaborate or kind of nothing special. So let's do a quick spray and sniff. So this is giving me a lot of fruit, a lot of sweetness, a lot of citrus, and a little bit of spice. The only reason I can perceive spice, really, because spice doesn't really have a strong scent. It's more like it tickles my nose. If I feel like I'm gonna sneeze, I know there's spice in it. So this makes me feel like I can feel it up here, that it has like spice. It's nice. It reminds me of something else. I don't know what, but it's very, very nice. It's a very, I don't want to say unisex, but it's very simple, clean, bright scent. I like it. I'm excited for it. The only thing I don't like about it is it feels already linear, because it feels very bright and citrusy, and these scents tend to me, scents that are extremely citrusy and extremely bright tend to either be boring and or not perform well. I'd like to see where this goes, but at this point it smells pretty good. Nothing stands out to me as being negative. I think it smells pretty good. I'm looking forward to seeing how this evolves with time. So that was Ishq Al Shuyukh. Moving on to the next one. That was simple. There's not much to say about it when they're just simple fragrances like that. I can say more about it once I test it out in the field, so to speak. Where's the batch code for this? There's no batch code here. That's it. That's weird. Where's the batch code? Where's the batch code for this? Is on the bottle. No, where's the batch code for this? Sorry guys, I'm investigating. Where the hell is the batch code for this fragrance? That's weird. I don't like that. I can't find the batch code or the production date for this anywhere. That's weird. I don't like that at all. Do any of you have this? Do any of you know where the batch code should be? Is this a counterfeit? I mean, the sticker's there. It has like the holographic kind of sticker. It's like an old version of it, but yeah, it's there. I'm looking everywhere, but I can't find it. Okay, so that's weird. I'm gonna reach out to customer service about it because I'm not sure if that's an authentic one. It should be. Like, this would be the first time I get something not real from this place. So this is Sheikh Shuyukh, the non-silver version. The final edition. Like, this one or this or the other one was the one that's Bugatti Black. I think it's this one because the other one did not smell like Bugatti Black at all. Does this one have a batch code? Now I'm like batch code hunting. This one does. See, the batch code's right there. Why does this one have one but the other one doesn't? Oh, I didn't do the 10 sprays. Let me do the 10 sprays. So when I open it, I do the 10 sprays of the fragrance to start up its maceration process so it grows and develops. So I just did that here and let it develop. Don't know how to open this one. I'm trying to open it without breaking it, but it seems to be not possible. Excuse me, sir, how do I open you? What is going on with me in boxes today? I can't open this. I swear, guys, I'm not dumb. This is like baffling me. It won't slide out. No, I broke it. It wasn't me, it was the box. It didn't want to slide out. It was the box's fault. It didn't want to slide out. It's not my fault. Okay. So you open the box, and inside the box you have Sheikh Shuyukh Final Edition with a very tacky top that is very, very plasticky. That's the bottle. This was the top. Plastic, extremely plastic, tacky top. Let me not lose this because this has the batch code on it. Let's do a spray. No, this one smells a little bit closer to what I expected. So I did the 10 sprays. So this is smelling citrusy, green. It's giving a lot of flowery aspects to it, but mostly it's just citrus and green. My mind is wandering because of the stupid batch code thing. Yeah, mostly citrus, mostly green, and then now some woodiness is coming in. So this is like a citrus, woody, green type thing. It smells very manly, very, I would say, skewing 20s kind of guy, like college aged kind of guy, because there's a lot of younger smelling scents. It doesn't smell very mature. It smells very like in your face kind of sense. It's very aggressive in its scent, not very nuanced, but it's already changing a lot. Like in the last 5 minutes, it's already adapted multiple times, or it's already like shifted its scent profile quite a bit. So I'm wondering how it's going to shift within the hour mark and 2 hour mark and whatever. So this has a lot going for it in terms of the shift changes, but it's an interesting scent. It's not necessarily something I'm in love with. It's a little bit too woody for me. It's a little bit too, it's leaning towards the green woody side of things and citrusy side of things for me, but I like sweetness in my scents. But it's nice. It smells good. Like, I get why people would like this. So it seems like a nice scent. It's just not exactly my cup of tea. Moving on. I'm putting this over here. And I'm putting the possible imposter back here too. Concerned sir. Okay. Next one is Qaed Al Fursan, or Qaed Al Fursan. I don't know how to pronounce it. Qaed Al Fursan by Lattafa. All these are Lattafa scents. Did you notice my energy change when I found out that there's no batch code on that box? Right now my energy is like, what the heck is going on? I'm anxious about it. So I'm like wondering, what should I do? Should I contact customer service? Should I fight with them about it? Like, hey, you sent me a possible scam. So this is the box. Inside the box, there's the little fragrance. It's a little black bottle with a horsey on it. It's black everywhere else, but the bottle has a little horsey on it. Cool thing is the cap is magnetic, which is cool. It's never boring to have a cap with that's magnetized. You can just fidget with it. Okay, so Qaed Al Fursan. Let's give it a sniff test. Can I ask a question? What's the obsession with horses? So many bottles have horses, deer. Horses and deer. There's a lot of horses and deer on bottles. Why? Why? I need to know. I would like to know. I need that explained. Ooh, this is pure candy. Not what I expected at all. Pineapple, like pure pineapple candy. That went away to spiciness. Not spicy as in spicy, but like spice. It's like pineapple spice. Pineapple with like something sprinkled on it. This is not what I expected at all. Not what I expected at all when I was getting into this. I'm gonna give it one more spray. I really like that. Like, it's a pineapple, it's a juicy pineapple with spices on top that are giving it a lot of interest, and vanilla, I think, and sugar, like pure, deliciousness. I don't know what it is, but it's, I like it. It's like pure sweetness, but pineapple and spices on top to make it interesting. So it's giving a lot of interest to me. It's like not boring. I really like this a lot. It's making me very hungry. It's making me very fascinated by this. I wonder how it performs over time. I think I'm becoming nose blind to the pineapple because it went away, but I can still perceive it like in the back of my throat, I guess. I'm excited for this one. I'm really excited for this one. This one smells really, really good. I really like this one. I really like that one. That one smelled great. Oh, did I do the 10 sprays? I didn't do the 10 sprays. Let me do the 10 sprays. But does this one have a batch code? It does. It does have a batch code. That's my new obsession now. Okay. Oh, that initial spray. It smells probably very artificial pineapple. I'm not very sensitive to artificial smells, but that pineapple makes me want a pina colada so bad. Okay. So the next one is Maison Alhambra, which is a subsidiary or sister company of Lattafa. Kismet Magic. Can you please? Thank you. Kismet Magic, which is a straight up dupe of Killian's Love, Don't Be Shy. Right? Yeah. Killian's Angels, Love, Don't Be Shy. And it also has a batch code. Mystery persists. Okay, so this is the bottle that came inside it. Looks like a cocktail bottle, which all of them that are Angel Share, not Don't Be Shy, Angel Share, never mind. My mind is so stuck on the frickin' batch code thing that I can't even think straight anymore. Like, I'm obsessed with it, and you can barely see this batch code. By the way, they printed it on this carton, so I'm gonna need like a frickin' microscope to be able to see what the number is, but at least it's there. Anyway, all the Angel Share clones or dupes have like this, I look like I got cocktail kind of bottles. The top is not magnetized or anything, it's just a regular little top. And let's do a quick spray. I have Angel Share back there, but I'm not going to do a comparison in this video. I'll do it in a future video. For some reason, this liquid looks thick. It feels like it's syrup. Okay, so. Huh. I'm spraying the 10 sprays and hiding it in the bottle so it doesn't take over the room. What does that smell? I was expecting like a straight up Angel Share dupe type thing, and maybe it is, but it smells a little different. The sweetness is a little bit different. It's a little bit adjusted. It's not exactly the same as I remember, but I'm going off memory. It's like a juicy something. Whatever it is. It's good. It's very smooth, whatever it is. There's a spice to it. There's a very strong sweetness here. It smells very good. I like it, but it's very sweet. Very just in your face with sweetness. If you don't like sweet scents, this is not for you. But this is not a typical vanilla sweetness. I can't necessarily perceive a lot of vanilla in this. There's something else there that I'm not picking up on yet. Like I can't wrap my head around it yet. Like the vanilla might come later, but right now I'm picking up something else that's overriding that scent. Vanilla that's probably there because I think Killian's Angel Share has vanilla in it, but something else is here that's over that vanilla. It's stronger than that vanilla, but it's a very sweet, fruity, possibly scent with a beautiful, flowery but soft flower, possibly chocolatey. I don't know. There's something in there I really like, but I don't know what it is. But it's very nice. I like it a lot. It's very different than Intoxicate. Intoxicate was very flat. This is very, very complicated in its scent. Despite the fact that it's very simple, it has layers in it, if that makes sense, versus Intoxicate, which you could tell was trying to be complicated and ended up being a muddled mess. I enjoy this. This is really good. I like this a lot. I'm excited for this. This is gonna be I'm gonna do another head-to-head battle of all the Angel Share dupes and see which one comes on top to be the closest one. I did 4 first looks today, and all of them were a mixed bag, honestly. Like none of them really wowed me. They all were more or less what I expected, except maybe Qaed Al Fursan. This is the only one that blew my expectations in terms of what I thought what I was gonna get. This one was exciting to me, but the other ones, I expected an Angel Share clone. I got it. The fake without a batch code, it smelled like pineapple and it smelled like fruitiness, which was good. I'm guessing it's an Aventus clone. And the other one just smelled citrusy and a bunch of different things, which I don't think is super unique. This is the only one that kind of gave me something new, something that I got excited for, I'm really excited for. So this was the one that gave me the most excitement. I'm excited to try them all and see how they perform with time, because these scents surprise you with time. That's it, guys. What are your thoughts? Are any of these exciting you? Should I move any of these up on the list of reviews? Give me your thoughts, give me your opinions, and always remember that scents are subjective. What I perceive isn't necessarily what you'll perceive. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and always remember to smell your best. See ya.